Overdrive by Post Malone. There's two major parts to this song. I'm going to show you both of them, but we're going to be using the capo on the first fret so that way we can avoid the majority of the bar chords. The verse is made up of 3 chords. That's a C, a G, a D minor, and an F. You can play that F doing a bar chord. You can play an F major 7 type of shape. Or you can play what I call a small F by putting your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string, and then first finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Either way, it's gonna sound great. So each one of those chords is gonna get 4 down strums. I like to do an extra little up strum before switching to each chord. And you're gonna play that 4 times before moving on to the chorus. I think we can call it a chorus. It's kind of like it's a chorus. This is what the chorus would sound like all together, and then I'll break it down. What I'm doing there is 4 down strums on an E major, 4 down strums on an F. Remember, you can play whatever kind of F that you want. And then after the F, we got this little walk down. The C gets 2 strums, the C major 7 over B gets 2 strums, and the A minor gets 8 strums. After you play 8 strums on that A minor, we're gonna play 4 strums on a B flat. Now that is a bar chord, but if you want a way to get around it, you can pretty much play the D, G, and B string all at the 4th fret. And it'll pass. It'll be okay, I promise you. Then after playing that B flat, we're gonna play F for 4 strums and then C for 8 strums. So going from the B minor, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then wrapping up the chorus, we play a C major 7 for 8 strums before going back into the verse. And the C major 7 is just that C chord without your index finger. Going all the way back to the E major, this is what the chorus would sound like all together. And then that's it, that's the chorus. And really there's only the verse chord progression and the chorus chord progression, so you have it all down. Congratulations.